Good morning. This is PW, and I'm here to show you how to be a lead editor for our Studio Broadcast Productions program here at Granada High School. In this part, we'll be looking at how to rename clips and files in your event. So at this point, filming is done. We've copied our media, returned the original cards and drives, imported our media to Final Cut Pro, and now we're going to see if our video footage matches with the audio. We can open the event footage from the show, and we can see right away that neither the panel operator nor the audio engineer set their date and time correctly. This can help out a lot if you are having issues later on, but for today we're okay. But it's a good thing to check on in the future as a safeguard. I do not like to view my media separated by date, so I'm going to choose my panel options, and I'm going to choose to group clips by none. This will just put the media in alphabetical order by their name. In Capture 0, I can see this is only 6 seconds long and is just during sound checks. They're still lining up the cameras and doing a test read. On Capture 1, I can visibly see that this is take one for the week's video Eleviso. You can also listen to him.
Video Eleviso, week 6.
So we know that this is take one video. I'll name it week 6, take 1. If we zoom in here, we can all see a tall spike right here. We can also listen to it. We know that the clapboard is right there, and we know that Juan Carlos said his information just before that. He didn't say take 1, but we do know that it's take 1. For the second take, visually, he didn't even write take 2, but he said it at least. To save time, I'll select all of it and copy its name. That way, I can paste it into the audio when it's correct. I'll continue for take 3 and take 4, and finally, we'll have take 5. Luckily on this one, everything matches up and is pretty smooth. Other than that one extra panel clip, it's perfect. This isn't always the case though, so checking their date and time and checking their duration can also help figure out which audio clips go with which video clips. It's really important to make sure that the floor manager writes the information on the slate, states the information on the recording, and has that information visible in the shot.